Good morning, students. Grade 2nd, subject Computer Science, the lesson number 5. Next, we are going to learn about the topic Pivot Animator. This is used to make a stick figure animation. In previous class, what we learned? Do you remember? Yes, we learned about storage devices. So, what is the use of storage devices? A storage device is used to store information permanently or temporarily. Do you know how many storage? Yes, the storage has two types, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory has two types, RAM and ROM. Secondary memory has many types, hard disk, floppy disk, CD-ROM, DVD, pen drive and memory card. Next, we are going to learn about the topic Pivot Animator. The Pivot Animator is a freeware application that allows users to create stick figure and sprite animations. Students, do you like animation pictures very much? Yes, I think you all are like very much animation pictures. And save them in the animated GIF format for use on web pages and AVI format. The pivot provides simple, easy to use interface with few features. So what is the use of pivot animator? The pivot animator is used for creating 2D stick man animations. Now you see this window. This is the main window of pivot animator. So here one picture you see this is called stick figure. So the stick figures can be animated easily by dragging the handles. So the stick figure has two handle, origin handle and segment handle. And you see the animation is made up of frames added to the timeline. The top of the screen one bar you see that is called title bar. So the title, what is the title here? Pivot Animator. So the title bar has three buttons, minimize button, maximize button and close button. So this window has three menu, file menu, edit menu, help menu. This window has many buttons. So background button, add figure and add frame. So what is the use of background? So if you want to set the background of the animation means we want to use background button. Add figure. If you want to select any figure type means we want to use add figure. And add frame. What is the use of add frame? The add frame is used to if you want to add the frame means we want to use add frame. Do you understand this window? This window name is stick figure builder window. So how will you open new stick figure builder window? Yes, if you want to open stick figure builder window means first of all we want to click file menu and then click create figure type. Next we are going to see about how to rotate the figures. So if you want to rotate the segment, so segment means nothing but part of the figure. If you want to move any part means, so first of all we want to drag any red handle in the stick figure. Next now we are going to see about how to rotate and scale the whole figure. If you want to rotate and scale the whole figure means, first of all we want to do press Alt key, at the same time we want to drag a red handle. Next now we are going to see about how to stretch a segment. So segment means nothing but part of a figure. So if you want to stretch a segment means first of all we want to press Ctrl key, at the same time we want to drag a red handle. Pivot animator window is contain many tools. The first one is circle segment. It is used to add a circle segment to the figure type. The second one is line segment. It is used to add a line segment to the figure type. The third one is if you want to line and circle the selected segment means it switch on or toggles. The fourth one is it switch or toggles the selected segment between the three types of circle. These are solid white, clear and solid. The fifth one is if you want to duplicate means it makes the duplicates of the selected segment. Do you understand this lesson? Yes, I think you understood about this lesson, and thank you.